Facts, my bitch love Coco.
What it do, babies? You already read the title, you already know what's going down. We're filming a highly requested video. Y'all have been begging for this video, and I'm finally gonna give it to you guys because why not? And if this is your first time seeing my face, what it do? Like, what's up? How are you? That's good, that's good, that's good. That's also bad, that's bad. I don't even know what your answer is, but anyway. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, we're on the road to 2K followers. And I just like to say thank you for 1K subscribers. Like, thank you guys so much. Like, thank you. Highly appreciate it. Like, highly appreciate it. Okay, that's enough. So, let's just get right into the video. Yeah. So, like, we're going to be talking about the hair products that I use and all. And if you all are interested in getting these products, DM me at x.rkc. And if you want these products, DM me at x.rkc, and if you want more information, DM me at x.rkc, and while you're there, just follow me, okay? So like, the name of the hair product I use is called Moisture Republic. It's a black owned business. We got to support our black owned businesses. So I'm gonna tell you guys a story.
I originally have black hair, yeah, like, y'all know that. But if you had followed me on Instagram for a long time, you would know that in some point I dyed my hair brown, like the ends were brown. So I wanted to dye my hair back to black, and my mom was like, no, it's gonna damage your hair or whatever. So I was like, okay, cool. So I went to this function and I saw this Moisture Hair Republic. So I was like, ooh, I want to try these products out. But I never like went to the table or anything, like, you know, when you're just talking in your head. So I was talking in my head. And then the lady called me over and she's like, oh my god, you got really nice hair. You need to try these products out and everything. So they gave me like a few of their products. They gave me the shampoo, the conditioner, like they literally gave me everything. So I was like, okay, cool. I tried out their products for a year and the results were amazing. Like, my hair looked absolutely amazing. Like, my hair has never looked better, it's never looked healthier, and it always smells good. It always smells top notch. So, okay, let me tell you guys about the product.
So when you get your hair products, it's gonna come like with a little piece of paper, and that little piece of paper basically has the company's name, which is Moisture Republic, and then it like explains how you use each product, and each product like has a number on it. Like, each product comes with a number on it. So this would be like your shampoo, which is obviously product number 1, and then it explains how you use the product. So it comes with instructions like at the back on how each product is used and everything. So there's like 5 products. So there's your deep conditioner, your leave-in conditioner, your hair growth oil, and your hair food. So 5 products. Your hair is going to be oily, but it's okay. So basically with these hair products, you need to like wash your hair once a week. You're supposed to wash your hair once a week in general. I wash my hair every Sunday. And then there's products that's like you need to use every day, which is your leave-in conditioner, your hair food, and your hair growth oil. And yeah, so without further ado, we are gonna go wash my hair, and y'all are just gonna see how I be doing it. So let's go to the bathroom. So lame. Okay, so we're gonna like take off my hairstyle. Guys, my hair's a mess, so it's a mess. Like, it's actually so bad. Oh. Oh. Ouch, ouch. Ugh. I'm just gonna part my hair into like 3. Oh, this is already 2. It's just like split it somewhere here. Like, oh, my hair really hurts. It's in 3 sections. I'm just gonna take my detangler. So I'm gonna detangle all my 3 sections, and then we're gonna wash the hair. So I'm gonna do that for quite a while. So I'm done detangling my hair. It's in like 3 sections. So I'm gonna wet each and every section, and we're gonna start applying the products to my hair. So each section of my hair is wet. I'm just gonna put in the shampoo. It smells so good. Like, it smells so good. It smells like peanut butter, and it's brown, by the way. Like, it's really. So now I'm gonna wash each section for like 5 minutes, and while I'm washing it, I'm gonna be also detangling it, because as y'all can see, my hair is like really curly. Oh, I got heat damage, but it's okay. So like, yeah. So I've washed and detangled. Like, this is like the length. Ow. That is like up to this bone. And my hair is also curly. Like, I don't even know if you can see it on camera, but it's like really curly. And that's just heat damage. It's okay, it's okay. So I'm just about to rinse my hair out. I'm just massaging my scalp. It just feels so good. Oh. But I'm about to rinse my hair, and then I'm gonna apply the conditioner in. So let's get rinsing. So I've rinsed my hair out. I'm not gonna. The conditioner is like thicker than the. Wait, I need to be on my tippy toes. Then the. It looks like peanut butter. Then my shampoo. So I'm just gonna apply it in my hair. Length. Don't let the shrinkage fool you. I'm massaging it into my scalp. Oh, it feels so nice. Okay, so now I need to like put a shower cap for 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna rinse it out. So it's been 10 minutes and I'm gonna rinse it out, and I'm hot and I'm tired, but anyway. Oh look! Stiff! Lol. Okay. So I rinsed my hair out, and that's just 2 products. 2 products take a lot of time just to wash my hair. But anyway, it's a long process. But y'all are gonna hate me for this. There's gonna be a part 2 to this video, but part 2 is gonna come out the same week as part 1. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends if you want the hair to look healthy, smell beautiful, and yeah, see you guys at part 2.